All right, so this is labeled factor quadratics by grouping, but we're going to actually factor these trinomials using the diamond method or X method, cross method. So I have the question written down. Like I said, we're going to factor them this way, not actually with by grouping. So once again, this is A times C. This is B. So A and C, negative 8 times 2, negative 16. And B is negative 15. So let's get the factors of 16, and that's negative. But we're going to keep them all positive. 2 times 8, 3 does not, 4 does. So if one of these is negative and one is positive, how can we get negative 15? Well, if negative 16 plus 1. Okay, now we're going to go into the box, but we're going to do it reverse. So what goes here is your first term, negative 8x squared. What goes down here is your last term, positive 2. And then, that should be an x, by the way. What goes here and here are these two terms in any order. So positive x and negative 16x. So I always go up. This is negative 16, by the way, plus 6. I go up first, but it doesn't really matter where you start. I can pull out negative 8x, right? And then down here I'll get positive x, x times 1, 1 times 2, and 2 times negative 8x is negative 16x. So we get this factored as negative 8x plus 1 times x plus 2. Okay, question 2. All right, 2x squared minus 13x plus 20. All right, so straight into the x. 2 times 20 is 40. B is negative 13. The factors of 40 are 1 and 40, 2 and 20. 3 does not go into it. 4 does, 4 and 10. 5 and 8. 6 does not, and 7 does not. So, which of these numbers adds up to negative 13? Well, you notice this is negative and this is positive. So that means that both these numbers are going to end up being negative. So negative all the way down. That means that these are our winners. Negative 5x and negative 8x. All right, reverse box method. Let's see, and this term is 2x squared. This term is 20 from there. These two terms come from here and here in any order. Negative 8x and negative 5x. Go up if you want. You could go here if you want. Let's start here, actually, just so we can do it. We can pull out a 4, looks like. 4 times what is 20? That's going to be 5. Now, you're going to notice that because these are negative, we could probably pull out a negative on both of these, and this still equals 20. And so negative 5 times x, x times 2x, 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x, and it all checks out. So we have x minus 4 and 2x minus 5. All right, so 15x squared minus 4x minus 4. All right, so A times C is negative 60, and B is negative 4. All right, so the factors of 60 are 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, 6 and 12, 7 and 14, 8 and 16, 17 and 18, 19 and 20, 21 and 22, 23 and 24, 25 and 26, 27 and 28, 29 and 30, 31 and 32, 33 and 34, 35 and 36, 37 and 38, 39 and 40, 41 and 42, 43 and 44, 45 and 46, 47 and 48, 49 and 50, 51 and 52, 53 and 54, 55 and 56, 57 and 58, 59 and 60, 61 and 62, 63 and 64, 65 and 66, 67 and 68, 69 and 70, 71 and 72, 73 and 74, 75 and 76, 77 and 78, 79 and 80, 81 and 82, 83 and 84, 85 and 86, 87 and 88, 89 and 90, 91 and 92, 93 and 94, 95 and 96, 97 and 98, 99 and 100, 101 and 102, 103 and 104, 105 and 106, 107 and 108, 109 and 110, 111 and 112, 6 and 10. 7 does not, and 8 does not, and 9 does not. So, if one of these is negative, and one is positive, and adds to negative 4, our winner's down here at the bottom. So negative 10x and positive 6x. Reverse box, we get 15x squared in here, negative 4 there. Sorry, off the board a little bit. These go in any order. Positive 6x, negative 10x. Go up. We can pull out a 5x. 5x times 3x. Coming down here, 5x times what's negative 10x? That's negative 2. Negative 2 times what is negative 4? That's positive 2. 3x times 2 is 6x. So our answer is there. 5x plus 2. And 3x minus 2. Question 4. 8x squared minus 18x minus 5. So 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. That's negative 14. I need negative 40. There it is. And negative 18. So the factors of 40 are 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 3, 4 and 10, 5 and 8, 6 and 7 do not. So one's negative, one's positive. Negative 20 plus 2 gives us negative 18. So reverse box. 8x squared, negative 5, negative 20x, and 2x. Going up, we get 2x out. Coming down, we get 4x. 2x times 1, 1 times negative 5. Check the last one. Negative 5 times 4x is negative 20x. So we have our answer as 2x minus 5. And 4x plus 1. And we're done.